we want to give a special thanks to Breyer for partnering with us to make this video. What's up, y'all? I'm Toya from MyFroggyStuff and a long-time Breyer fan. Today, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite Breyer Craft products. There's a variety of Breyer Craft and activity kits. Look, I'm even on the packaging. On the back of each one, we can scan the QR code and get crafty. Suncatcher Unicorns Paint and Play. This kit includes 4 unicorns, 1 unicorn full, a paintbrush, and 6 paints. So we can paint our own suncatchers. On the back of the box, we can see all of the items included, and it says, unicorns come in many different colors. When painted, these unicorns will have a beautiful translucent finish that catches the light, dazzling in the sunlight just like a suncatcher. I think suncatchers are fabulously forgiving because there's no wrong way to paint one. Here you can see all 4 unicorns, the full, the paints, and the paintbrush. Other things you might need from home include a cup of water, a paint palette or a paper plate to mix colors, paper towels, clear nail polish to make the eyes shine, and a clear drying sealant to protect your project. Now let's get started. We have a lot of colors here, and you can choose to use all of them or maybe just a few. I want to start with this color. It's a really pretty teal. I'm going to put a little on my brush, then begin painting my unicorn. And I'm just working to smooth it out to try and hide some of my brush strokes. Close the paint, clean the brush, and pick out a new color. Let's add a little green. This is a really pretty kiwi green, or maybe it's a celery. Let's hold this up to the light so we can see how our colors look so far. All right, let's go with pink next. This is such a vibrant color. I absolutely love it. I love how it looks when the light shines right through it. When I first started painting suncatchers, I used to overthink it. And I just wanted everything to be so perfect. But the beauty of suncatchers is that they don't need to be perfect. It's really fun seeing how the colors mix and you end up with a different unicorn every time. I really like how that purple is fading in. Let's add a little blue so it fades from purple to blue, and maybe a little going down the legs. Then let's cycle back to the teal, the green. We haven't tried the orange yet, so let's give that a go. Then we can fade back to the pink and more purple. Then I continued adding colors until the entire unicorn was painted. Allow it to dry, then hold it up to the light to see your suncatcher unicorn. Then we can start on the next one to start your own herd of suncatcher unicorns. Now let's take it a step further. I like finding new ways to use our suncatcher unicorns. Like maybe we could use them to make a ring holder. For this project, I'm using recycled paperboard, paint, and glue. Draw circles on the paperboard, cut them out, stack and glue several together. I'm using a nail file to sand the edges smooth, then paint it gold. And you can really paint it whatever color you like. This is just the color that I'm choosing. On my unicorn, I'm gonna paint the horn gold, and let's paint the horn on the unicorn full as well. Allow them to dry, then glue the unicorns onto the paperboard to make a ring holder. However you choose to decorate your suncatcher unicorns, be sure to have fun and get creative. To learn more about Breyer and the real horses who inspire us, visit the Breyer website at www.breyerhorses.com. And we will see you next time. Bye!